The Canon EOS AD-R1 stands as the pinnacle of Canon's mirrorless camera lineup, meticulously engineered for the demands of professional sports and action photography. At its core is a 24.2-megapixel full-frame, backside illuminated stacked sensor, paired with the advanced Digic X and Digic accelerator processors. This combination delivers exceptional image quality and lightning-fast data handling. The autofocus system offers 100% coverage with over 4,300 selectable points, and the innovative Action Priority function intelligently tracks and locks focus on critical moments, such as a decisive goal or sprint finish. With burst shooting speeds of up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter, capturing split-second action is effortless. The camera's robust, weather-resistant body and ergonomic grip ensure reliable handling in challenging environments. For videographers, the EOS R1 supports 6K RAW recording at up to 60p, making it a versatile tool for high-resolution video production. The Canon EOS R1 has garnered significant recognition within the industry, earning top honors such as the Red Dot Design Award and Camera Grand Prix's Camera of the Year. These accolades underscore its exceptional design and performance, particularly for demanding applications like Olympic-level sports photography. However, with a price tag of $6,299 for the body alone, the R1 represents a considerable investment. Its compatibility with both RF and EF lenses via an adapter adds flexibility for professionals with existing Canon gear. For photographers who require cutting-edge autofocus, rapid burst shooting, and robust build quality, the EOS R1 stands out as a formidable tool. Yet, those whose work does not demand such high-speed capabilities may find more cost-effective options elsewhere. Ultimately, the R1 is best suited for professionals who prioritize speed, precision, and reliability in capturing decisive moments.